In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage contacts in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to better understand how to organize your contacts, I'll walk you through each step clearly and effectively. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage, open your web browser, and head over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all of the platform's features. Now, to specifically manage your contacts, you'll need to head over to the CRM tab. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where we'll organize and maintain all of our contact information. Once you're on the CRM tab, we're going to click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contacts section, which will display all the contacts you currently have in your database. Over time, as you build out more contacts, this section will serve as a rich repository of all those important connections. To add a new contact, you'll want to look for and click on the Create Contact button. This option is what opens up the opportunity to input new information into your database. As you proceed, an essential step is filling out the necessary information for your new contact. You'll start by entering their email address, which is a key piece of information since HubSpot uses this data to help you track interactions and build your contact's profile. After the email, take time to move on and input their name. This step might seem straightforward, but ensuring accuracy is vital because this is how you'll identify them in your system. Next, we move on to typing in the job title and phone number. Both pieces of information are crucial for context and ensuring you have multiple ways to reach out or understand their role in their organization. Following that, you'll need to choose the contact owner. This is the person within your team who will be responsible for managing and following up with this contact. It's crucial for keeping accountability and ensuring that someone on your team is dedicated to nurturing this new potential partnership. Continuing on, we're going to click on Life Cycle Stage. This allows you to categorize and prioritize your contacts based on where they are in your engagement funnel, whether they're just an intro or an ongoing client. After establishing the life cycle stage, you'll want to determine their lead status. This helps further refine your approach to interacting with this contact by understanding how close they are to becoming an active lead. Finally, once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, you'll click on Create. Congratulations, you've just added a new contact. With your new contact in the system, you can easily manage them along with others by tracking interactions, setting reminders, and ensuring a strong relationship is being built. Managing contacts in HubSpot is not only vital for maintaining structured records, but also for driving your business forward through enhanced customer relations. Dive into the platform and explore all the customization and tracking options available to make the most out of every contact.